we are going to discuss past year questions number 3, KMKT 2020-2021. So, usually question number 3 are from chapter 4, which is chemical bonding. Okay, so we continue with 4A. The question is, formaldehyde is a colorless poisonous gas. Formalin, a 10% solution of formaldehyde, is used to preserve biological specimens. 1 Roman, draw a Lewis structure of H2CO. So usually we need to calculate the valence electron for H2CO. So valence electron for H is 1, C is 4, and O is 6, and the total is 12. And then we draw the Lewis structure. We minus the total valence electron with the electron that we put at the atom in the Lewis structure. Okay, so that's how we draw the Lewis structure. Next, to Roman, the question is, predict the hybridization of the C and O atoms, the shape of molecule, and the expected bond angle. The question 1, hybridization of carbon and oxygen. And you can just write the hybridization. And you can just write the hybridization of carbon is sp2. Hybridization of oxygen is sp2. Next, the shape and bond angle of molecular geometry. We back to the Lewis structure that we draw in 1 Roman, and we can see the Lewis structure that we draw has 4 bonding pair and 2 lone pair, which is the shape is trigonal planar, and the bond angle for the trigonal planar is 120 degree. We go to the 3 Roman. The question is, draw the diagram to show the orbital overlap in the H2CO molecules. So for the 3 Roman question, for the easy to draw overlapping orbitals, you can draw the orbital diagram for the central and terminal atoms. So it was easier to draw the overlapping orbitals. The overlapping orbitals that I got was like this. And don't forget to put the sigma bond and also the pi bond. And then don't forget to label which one was the carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen. And also don't forget to put each atom hybridization. Okay, next we go to the question B, 1 Roman, B1 Roman. The question is, explain the polarity of the following simple covalent molecules, H2O, CO2, and SO2. B1 Roman, you need to draw the molecular shape for each molecule. For this question, you need you need to draw the molecular shape that has arrow that show the polarity of the molecule. After you draw it, you can write whether the molecule are polar or non-polar, and whether the bond can cancel each other or cannot cancel each other. For the question B to Roman, the question is, which is the most polar molecule among them, and explain it. So for the B Roman, it was referred to the B1 Roman. So my answer is H2O is the most polar molecule. H and O has greater electronegativity than S and O atom. Therefore, the HO bond is more polar than SO bond. So for the question C, the question is, the boiling points of the hydrides of the halogens are given below. It was given the table for molecule HF, HCl, HBr, and HI. So we basically, if we see carefully, this element behind the hydrogen atoms are from group 17, which is in condition down the group. So we know the atom when down the group was become bigger. So first we write boiling point increases from HCl to HI, and then we write the molecular size increase. The molecular size increase, that is what I say that the element behind the hydrogen atoms are in condition down the group. So we know when down the group, the atom size are increased, and then we continue with the other point. We can write the boiling point of HF is high because hydrogen bond is stronger than van der Waals forces. This is the end for the question from KMKT 2020-2021.